This is part 3 of designing the castle. What I think we can do in this tutorial or in this video, I'm going to show you how can you design like a bridge to connect between two castles. So let's get like a rectangle from the shape tool, and we can draw like a small rectangle over here. Okay, make sure that I'm connecting the two areas. After that, I'll go to the push-pull tool to extrude this. Let me change the view so I can see. I'm sorry, this is the push-pull tool. We will extrude this all the way there. And we can make a space for the edge. And I'll do the same thing. As long as you see the lines, color is the lines green, it tells me that I am aligned with one of the axes. Okay, and then I can use the 2-point arc tool to design like the door. And let's push the fence up of the castle. We can later, this is very high, let's do it this. We can later make them a different color. If you notice, the thickness of this one is different than this one. We can solve this by pushing this out, so we can have both of them the same approximately. Okay, I'm gonna push this inside a little bit, and then I can like just copy paste this one to have it there. Now let's get, we can make more, what else can we add? Like I can add some, let me just push this one there. Let's see how can we add colors for the castle. I'll go to the fill color and make sure that we are selecting the paint tool. You will have the basics color here. To get more colors, then you have to go to the browse, and there you will find a lot of texture and other colors such as bricks. We can get something for, I can use this one for the bridge. I don't think it looks like a real bridge. We can have this. And I'll do the same thing here. See, I want to fill this building with a different color, so I can just divide this and this, so I'm gonna have like one. We can go to the metal roofing. We have the wood window. I can get this glass for this one. And the same thing for these two. And let's go to the bricks. I can have the floor different. I can zoom in. Or let's take this one. You can see the texture more. So you will change the color based on what you prefer. Cover the whole things. Okay. When we're done, let's take this bigger texture. Or what do you think about this one? It's like a real castle. This is for fabric. I can make this one for the ground like that. And yeah, it should be fine, like having this inside. And you can continue coloring. Now we need this to be uh, and for the roof, we have something for the roof. That's all. Okay, so this is the basic. This is something very basic. Later we can continue. Let me use this tool. Okay, so this is the basic castle. We can have something around, like we can design something here. So we can raise this using offset tool. We can raise this up. So we can have like a real castle around. Okay. If you feel like you don't want to add something here or another castle, all what you need to do just to, you can close this area using the line. I can just, let me change the view and make sure that I'm selecting the right point. And then I can raise the height of this exactly like this one. And we can fill it with color. And we can push this inside a little bit. No, I think we can keep it this way. We can put some plants over here using the warehouse, and go and add some plants. Okay, hope you enjoyed watching this one. Yeah, if you want to save it, you just need to click on save and give it a name. And if you want to export it, you can export it as go to this tool, export or download as a PNG, but we can go to export and we will then export it different style. And I can change the view, and then I can change select exactly what view we want to have, and then export as a PNG, and then we will have the picture as a PNG. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy the lesson.